Welcome to our tutorial. In today's session, I'm excited to guide you on how to create and utilize a 30-day UDP custom server for both HTTP Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Whether you're seeking faster browsing speeds or a more customized VPN experience, this tutorial will provide you with a clear step-by-step approach. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Accessing the UDP custom website. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome and type UDP Custom into the search bar. Hit enter to bring up the search results. From the search results, find the link to the official UDP Custom website and click on it to access the home page. Step 2. Creating a 30-day UDP custom server. On the home page, look for the hamburger menu icon located at the top right corner. Click on it to reveal a list of menu options. In the menu, find and select the option labeled 30 Days Premium UDP Server. You will see two further options: 30 Days UDP Request Servers and 30 Days UDP Custom Servers. For this tutorial, let's go ahead and create a 30-day UDP custom server. Click on that option. You'll be directed to an account form. Fill in your desired username and password in the provided fields. Make sure to check the reCAPTCHA box for verification purposes, and then click the Create Account button. Within seconds, your new UDP custom server will be generated. Remember to copy and save the server details in a secure location, like a notepad, for future reference. Step 3. Configuring HTTP Custom VPN. Now it's time to set up this server with the HTTP Custom VPN app. Navigate back to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Search for HTTP Custom VPN, download, and install the app. Once installed, open the app. On the home page, you'll see an option for UDP Custom. Check this box and manually enter the server details you created earlier, including the IP address, username, and password. After entering all the required information, simply tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. Step 4. Configuring SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Next, we'll configure the SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Head back to the Play Store, search for SocksIP Tunnel VPN, and proceed to install it. After launching the app, you'll find yourself on its home screen. Click on the gear icon to access the settings. From there, select UDP Request from the connection type options. Step 5. Creating a 30-day UDP request server. Now let's create a 30-day UDP request server. Return to the UDP custom website and select 30 days UDP request servers. Fill out the account form with your username and password, check the reCAPTCHA box, and click Create to generate your server. Copy the new server details and head back to the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. Here, input the IP address, username, and password of the server. Once you've filled in all the fields, save your settings. Return to the main screen and tap the Start button to connect to the VPN. Congratulations! You've successfully created and configured both a 30-day UDP custom server and a UDP request server for enhanced browsing capabilities with HTTP Custom VPN and SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Let's stay connected. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.